In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate document to any language in the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prompt the app, attach your PDF, and get a clean translation with minimal effort. Start by opening the Google Gemini app on your Windows computer and making sure you have a stable internet connection. In the message box at the bottom, you'll write a clear, direct prompt. A simple example is, translate this PDF to French. You can swap French for any language you need, Spanish, German, Japanese, or a specific regional variant like Brazilian Portuguese. If you have preferences, spell them out right in the prompt, such as use a professional tone, preserve headings and bullet points, or translate only the body text. The clearer your instructions, the better the result. Now it's time to attach your document. Look for the plus sign next to the message box and click it to upload your PDF. This opens a file picker where you can navigate to your document. Select the correct file and confirm. You should see the file appear as an attachment in the chat area. If the PDF is scanned or contains lots of images, translation quality can vary. For best results, use a text-based PDF. If your document is very large, consider splitting it into smaller sections so the app can process it more quickly and reliably. Once your prompt is written and your PDF is attached, press Enter to send everything to Gemini. You'll see the app begin processing. For shorter files, the translation usually appears within moments. Longer or image-heavy documents can take a bit more time. When the translation appears, it will show up in the chat response. If you ask to preserve formatting, scan through headings, lists, and tables to confirm they look as expected. If something seems off, you can refine your original wording and repeat the same steps. Adjust the prompt, keep the same file attached, and press Enter again. A few tips before you wrap up. Be explicit about the target language and tone, especially for technical or legal documents. Mention if you want the original structure maintained, and note any sections that should be skipped, like appendices or references. If the app flags the file as too large, reduce the PDF size or export only the pages you need and try again. And that's it. You typed a clear prompt, clicked the plus sign to upload your PDF, and pressed Enter to generate the translation, all inside the Google Gemini Windows app.